Today I'm going to show you exactly how to see game discussions in Steam and how to quickly find conversations from other players about any game on the platform. Steam has a massive community where players share tips, fixes, mods, strategies, and answers to common problems, but many users don't realize where these discussions are located or how to access them quickly. Whether you want help with a mission, troubleshoot a bug, or just see what other players think about a game, Steam discussions are incredibly useful, so let's start. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account before continuing today. Once Steam is open, look at the top navigation menu and find the option called Community. This section contains social features created for players, including guides, screenshots, artwork reviews, and of course the discussion forums that we want to access. Move your cursor over Community and click Discussions from the drop-down menu that appears after you click. Steam will load a page that lists active discussion hubs for games you play recently or games that are popular across the platform. If the game you want is already listed, you can simply click the game name to open its community discussions. Inside the discussion hub, you will see multiple categories like general discussions, guides, trading, technical support, and gameplay questions, where players actively talk about updates, problems, strategies, and tips for the game. You can open any thread to read replies or join the conversation yourself by posting a comment or starting a new discussion thread if you have a question. If you don't immediately see the game you are looking for, use the search bar at the top of Steam. Type the name of the game and select it from the results page. Once the Game Hub opens, click Discussions inside the Game Community section. This takes you directly to that specific game's forums where thousands of players share information. You can sort posts by most recent, most popular, or developer responses, which helps you quickly find useful answers fast. Many games also pin important threads like patch notes fixes or FAQs at the top, so always check those first. Reading discussions is one of the best ways to solve problems, discover hidden features, and learn strategies from experienced players. And because the Steam community is huge, chances are someone has already asked the same question you have today online. So that is how to see game discussions in Steam using the community and the discussion sections, plus the search feature to find any games forum in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tips, guides, and quick tutorials that help you get more out of your games. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next.